continue. Number 10. Next. Ever minachai. A limb from living creature. Right? So number 10. One may not eat a limb of an animal or fowl that was removed while the animal was alive. That's it's one of these 7 Noahide laws. Right? Although this prohibition does not apply to fish, one should nevertheless not a part of fish while fish is still alive. Right? Some crazy people that's what they do. Right? They eat fish alive and all of the other like seafood while it's still alive, which is of course it's disgusting, but okay, that's what it is. Incidentally, the law of Ever Minachai is unique among the laws of the Kashrut, in that it applies to non-Jews as well as a Jews. Right? So, as we said, do not eat from living animal. Thus, a Jew may not provide a non-Jew with Ever Minachai meat, since by doing so he is facilitated the transgression of the Torah. So, what does it mean? So, if, for example, if a Jew slaughtered an animal and he found out that it was like it's not kosher for him for whatever reason, so he can sell to non-Jew. There is no problem whatsoever, because for a non-Jew there is no prohibition to eat the killed animal. So if it was killed, there is no problem. Anyway, of course, it's preferable the most humane way. So as tends to be our shchita, but there's no problem for them to eat whatever is not good for us. So that's why we most often we sell to Muslims. So Arabs, Muslims, they use it. Our not good kosher is the best halal meat for them. The top quality. Okay, Baruch Hashem. Of course, they know that we cannot use it, so they get a discount price. But what can you do? Continue. 11. Right, but this you cannot sell to them, since I'm not sure how is it possible that a person tore a piece of living creature. I'm not sure, but whatever. Let's say it's possible from a chicken, maybe a wing or a leg. I don't know. So of course we cannot give it to a non-Jew.